Visit now, our website marink.com for more fantastic information.
Aubrey Organics, Island Botanicals Shampoo, Dry Hair, Mango Coconut, 11 fluid ounces, 325 milliliters. Product Overview Description: Avocado oil and mango butter smooths and defines tropical repair. 75% organic ingredients crafted by nature since 1967. Contains 75% organic ingredients. Sulfate-free, vegan, gluten-free, paraben-free, phthalate-free, cruelty-free. Moisture-enriched shampoo smooths hair fiber to control frizz and leave hair silky and curls softly defined. Great for relaxed and natural styles. Luscious Mango Coconut Scent. Key ingredients: mango and Organic Shea Butters rich in vitamins and nutrients, seal in moisture. Organic Avocado Oil high in vitamin E, deep conditions and nourishes. Suggested use: shake well before using. Apply to wet hair, lather and rinse. Repeat. Follow with Island Botanicals Conditioner. Other ingredients: aloe barbadensis leaf juice, sodium cocoamphoacetate, from coconut oil, oryza sativa, rice, extract, sodium cocoa hydrolyzed soy protein, glycerin, leuconostoc, radish root ferment filtrate, sodium cocoyl isethionate, glyceryl caprylate, from vegetable oils, sea salt, mangifera indica, mango, seed butter, beauty ruspermum parkii, shea butter, fruit, Persea gratissima, avocado, oil, cocos nucifer fruit extract, coconut milk, panthenol, vitamin B5, Pernus amygdalus dulcis, sweet almond, oil, Pimentio officinalis, pimento, fruit powder, allspice, tocopherol, vitamin E, glyceryl undecillinate, from vegetable oils, sodium methyl cocoa citrus grandis, grapefruit, seed extract, ascorbic acid, vitamin C, citric acid, sodium PCA, xanthan gum, natural fragrance. Certified organic. Made with certified organic ingredients. Sourced from essential oils, isolate and other national ingredients. Disclaimer: while iHerb strives to ensure the accuracy of its product images and information, some manufacturing changes to packaging and/or ingredients may be pending update on our site. Although items may occasionally ship with alternate packaging, freshness is always guaranteed. We recommend that you read labels, warnings and directions of all products before use and not rely solely on the information provided by iHerb.